Hey guys, welcome to today's training recap. Today is the 6th of February and I took 3 trades today. One at the 2 a.m. candle and 2 trades from the 10 a.m. candle. Still with my 4-hour PO3 model. So, first of all, let's cover the trades from 2 a.m. As you can see, we were really bearish on the last few days and swept like a lot of lows right here. So normally you're like still bearish, but I want to see some retrace into these highs with all of these highs open when we were down here. So I seen this as a really good opportunity to long. And yeah, that was my trading idea. So I went down to the 50-minute time frame to search for my PD arrays. Yeah, this 50-minute Fair Gap, we unfortunately tapped it 50 minutes before the candle opened, so it wasn't 100% valid. But we had this 1 hour for value right here, and also this order block right here, this 1 hour order block. So normally with 5 minutes, with hourly PD arrays, we take 5 minutes CSDs. So it would have been right here. But you were just like, can show you this. We tapped equilibrium almost like perfectly, and I was like, okay, we are gonna tap the CE, so the middle of this fair value gap, and second, right here, we tapped the CE of this fair value gap. We swept equilibrium. That was like, okay, ready to take a long of this 1 minute CSD because it looked really clean. And that's what I did. I entered right here. Stop 1 point below this low. So here. And my TP for this trade was this high right here. Because I knew we wanted to go higher, but I didn't know if she want to retrace first or something, so I wanted to take a safe TP. And yeah. So you can see right here, it would have played out. But it didn't play out because it stopped us out before moving up to the TP. I went break even like around before London opened, because I don't really like trading on open because it's like a gamble if it goes in your direction or not. And so I got stopped out break even, which is good because I would have been stopped out and would have made a loss. But still sad that I didn't hit my TP. It would have been really perfectly if we just went up, but that happens. So break even for the first trade. And let's move on to the next 2 trades. They were pretty much the same. It was a trade and the re-entry of trade. So yeah, same procedure. 10 a.m. open. We had this 50-minute fair value gap, and yeah, pretty much like a order block right here, which I wanted to see longs being taken off. And for my TP, I went and scaled out, and I saw this high, which I wanted to take as my TP because I know I didn't know if you want to make S&T with ES to the daily highs, so I wanted to make sure. And yeah, I went to the 15-minute time frame, and as you can see, those PD arrays you marked out look perfectly. Scaled down to the 1-minute time frame and waited for an entry, same as I always do. So first CST was right here. We swapped into the PD arrays, made a higher high, a lower high, I mean, and then made a lower low, which means this is the CST level, and we closed really nice above it with a really big reaction. I really like this. So like, this was my first trade, and as you can see, it just stopped me out instantly, which is nice, but what happens. And then I took another trade from pretty much the same thing right here, as you can see, just a little bit bigger stop loss like this, and same TP, which fortunately played out, and I covered my loss and even made some profits a day. Yeah, and I didn't take my full TP up here. I think it was around here, just because yes, swapped this high, so this high right here, a little bit earlier, so right around here. I don't exactly remember. Can show you in the executions. Yeah, like right here, and that's why I took my trade out red here to be safe. So if the S&T holds, I'm not getting fucked, and would have been break even. But yeah, it was about 1.7 R, so really happy with this. And yeah, that's it for today. Now it's a weekend. We can wait until Monday to trade again, and that's it. Thank you guys, and bye.